These AI tools are what I'm implementing right now in dozens of my companies to be more productive and stay ahead of the competition.
In the past, you've seen me review tons of AI tools. Most do one thing, some generate images, others create presentations or even videos. But what if I told you there's one tool that does all of this and more in one place? Stick around, you gotta see this. The tool I'm talking about is called Chat Lem by Abacus.ai. Now, don't let the name fool you. This isn't just another chatbot. This is a comprehensive all-in-one AI platform that redefines what a single subscription can offer. It chats, it builds functional AI apps, it generates stunning videos and images, it creates entire PowerPoint presentations from a document, it conducts deep, source-verified research, scrapes websites for data, writes functional code, and can even humanize AI-generated text to make it sound more natural. It basically gathers all the AI tools you probably know, and maybe even pay for separately, into a single, unified platform. It's an ambitious concept, but let's see if it actually delivers on that promise. Jumping right into the interface, it feels clean and intuitive. On the left, you have your main navigation panel. The core of the experience is the chat interface, but the real power is under the hood. You can seamlessly switch between 19 different large language models. We're talking about the heavy hitters here. Chat GPT, the brand new Claude 3.7, Gemini Pro, DeepSeek, and many more. This alone is a huge deal. Instead of being locked into one ecosystem, you can pick the best model for your specific task. Have you ever tried an all-in-one AI tool like this before? Let me know in the comments. Beyond just selecting a model, you can create your own custom chatbots with specific instructions and personalities. But my favorite feature here is called Route Lem. Instead of you having to guess which model is best, Route Lem automatically analyzes your prompt and routes it to the optimal AI for the job. You just focus on the task and it handles the logistics. You can also upload any kind of file you can think of, documents, images, even entire PowerPoints, and the AI can analyze and work with them. And of course, it has a web search toggle, so you're always getting the most up-to-date information, not data from 2 years ago. Let's run through a practical example to see how this works in the real world. Imagine I need to write the learning objectives for a new e-learning program about digital marketing. I have a few internal guiding documents that outline the course's scope. First, I'll upload these documents directly into Chat Lem, then I'll write a detailed prompt. Using the provided documents as a reference, generate 5 clear and measurable learning objectives for a beginner-level e-learning course on digital marketing. Ensure they follow the SMART framework. I'll let Route Lem decide the best model for this task. It processes the documents and my request, and within seconds, it generates a fantastic list of objectives. They're specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. But here's the cool part. What if I'm not totally satisfied or just want a different perspective? With a single click, I can regenerate the answer using a different AI model like Claude 3.7 to see if it offers a more creative take. The system also shows its sources, pulling information directly from the documents I provided, which means the accuracy is high and the output is perfectly tailored to my needs. Now, let's move on to something more visual: image generation. Chat LM integrates several top-tier models like Flux Pro, DALL-E, and Ideogram directly into the platform. You don't need a separate Midjourney or DALL-E subscription. I can get incredibly creative with my prompts here. Let's try something specific: a high-detail, photorealistic image of a cyberpunk ninja meditating on a skyscraper rooftop during a neon-lit rainy night. The results are stunningly detailed. Or for something more fun, how about a charcoal sketch of the Mona Lisa, but as a minion from Despicable Me? It's versatile and powerful. The platform also includes an in-painting and editing feature, allowing you to select parts of an image and modify them with another prompt, giving you fine-tuned control over the final product. For those who want to master prompting, you can check out my AI image infographic I made a while back, a video I made a while back, linked in the description. For the developers or the tech curious among you, the Code Playground is an absolute game changer. This is a sandboxed environment where you can write, test, and debug code with the help of AI. Or even more impressively, you can ask the AI to build a simple application for you from scratch. For example, I prompted it, build me a simple React-based matching game for my child. The theme should be zoo animals. The AI generated the entire file structure and code for a functional game. I can then test it right there in the playground, and if it works as intended, I can download the complete project as a zip file or just copy the code. This is an incredible feature for prototyping ideas, or even building small, useful apps without needing extensive coding knowledge yourself. Next up, the PowerPoint generator. We've all been there, staring at a blank slide, dreading the hours of work ahead. With Chat LLM, you can upload a document, let's say a research paper or a business report, and ask it to create a presentation based on it. It will analyze the document, suggest a slide structure, generate the content for each slide, and even let you choose from a few basic templates. I'll be honest, this isn't its strongest feature right now. The designs are a bit basic, and you'll likely want to do some manual formatting. However, for creating a quick, functional first draft of a presentation in just a couple of minutes, it's incredibly useful and a massive time saver. One of the biggest problems with standard chatbots like Chat GPT is their tendency to hallucinate, or in simpler terms, make stuff up, especially when it comes to research and citing sources. Chat LLM's Research Assistant feature is designed to solve this exact problem. You can activate a deep research mode, upload academic papers or articles, and ask complex questions. The AI will then generate responses by synthesizing information exclusively from the documents you provided, complete with verified sources, statistics, and direct quotes. This is invaluable for students, researchers, or anyone who needs factually accurate, well-supported information without the risk of fabricated data. Now for one of the most exciting and rapidly evolving areas of AI video generation. This platform integrates multiple leading AI video models, including Hyulo, Luma Labs, Runway, Kling, and even Google's Veo. Think about that for a second. A subscription to just one of these services, like Runway, can cost you over $25 a month. Here you get access to all of them. I can type in a prompt like, an animated character in a fantasy setting with magical flames erupting from their hands, cinematic lighting. The system will generate a short video clip bringing that idea to life. The quality is on par with the native platforms, and the cost efficiency is simply unbeatable. This feature alone makes the subscription worth it for any content creator. Which AI feature would you use first? The image generator, the code playground, or the video creator? Beyond these headline features, there are a few other handy tools packed in. The doc generation and URL scraping feature lets you drop in a link to any website or YouTube video, and it will analyze the content, providing you with a concise summary, key takeaways, or a full transcript. Then there are projects. These are dedicated workspaces where you can group related tasks. For example, you can create a project for a new marketing campaign, upload all relevant files, maintain ongoing conversations with custom instructions just for that project, and even collaborate with team members. Finally, there's App LM, which takes the code playground a step further. You can describe a simple app or website you want to build in plain English, and the AI will attempt to construct it for you. It's still in its early stages, but shows the incredible potential of this all-in-one AI platform. So let's talk about the price, because this is where it all comes together. Chat LLM costs $10 a month. That's it, $10. Now let's compare that. A Chat GPT Plus subscription is $20. A solid image generator like Midjourney is at least $10. A video generator like Runway is $25. A premium research assistant can be another $20. Before you know it, you're spending over $100 a month on multiple AI tools, juggling different logins, interfaces, and billing cycles. This platform consolidates all of that functionality and more for a fraction of the cost. The convenience of having everything in one place, working together seamlessly, is a massive value proposition that saves you both time and money. My final verdict? Chat LM absolutely blew me away. It's genuinely one of the coolest and most comprehensive AI tools I've used. The sheer breadth of functionality packed into this single platform is astonishing, and the value at its price point is frankly unbelievable. I'm still finding new features and capabilities every time I log in. For anyone who uses AI regularly, whether you're a student, a professional, or a creator, this is a must try. It simplifies your workflow and puts an entire suite of powerful creative and analytical tools at your fingertips. If you want to check it out, I've put my affiliate link for it right at the top of the description. And if you want to see what other AI tools people are loving right now, check out our survey video where 200 tools battled for the title of the best AI apps of 2024. Thanks for watching.